The Sealey 4-ton modular car ramp kit is ideal for portability and storage and is suitable for professionals and DIY applications. The modular design enables users to change the length of the ramp by easily removing and reattaching the simple interlocking sections. The 350mm wide ramps allow for a broad range of vehicles, with a recommended maximum tread width of 290mm. Manufactured from durable UV-resistant polypropylene, the ramp has a 4-ton maximum capacity, or 2-ton per ramp. It allows access to the underside of the vehicle, making for easier repairs and maintenance. The Sealey 4-ton modular car ramp kit, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.